What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Caleb's Property Maintenance. So today I just thought I'd take a quick minute to talk about security, and specifically trailer security. I'm all done for the day as far as work goes. I got 9 properties done today, and I started at about 9:30 I think or so, and got done about 7 o'clock. Ho, wait a second. Don't you say, but Caleb, why did you start at 9:30? No, don't give me any of that. I was working at 8 o'clock. I just wasn't mowing at 8 o'clock. I had to load up the bed edger in the trailer and take it to a customer and do the edging so we can get ready for doing the mulch. So don't you give me I didn't get up. I don't want to hear it. So alright guys, back to security. I got these puck locks for the trailer made by Master, and really simple, easy to use. Just push it up and lock it, and it's locked. Now you can't get in it. And then I also have one right there for here, and then I already got the door on the side. So guys, like $30 some, I can't remember exactly, a piece for each one, but hey, $90 is pretty cheap compared to if somebody stole all the stuff that was in it. So not that big of a deal, guys, but I just thought I'd make this quick video and show you guys and talk to you guys about security and keeping machines and equipment secure. So alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.